Hey there, beautiful people out there. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how to achieve these short faux locks for the summer. So, without any further ado, let's get it. As you can see, I already have them installed in my hair, but I'm going to just take two and do them over. I use the Bobbi Locs Bae Locs hair, and I love these locks, y'all. Oh my gosh. I wanted to crochet them in my hair, but I decided to do them individually. So what I did first is, of course, I parted my hair and I put them into sections. So what I'm going to do is split the hair into two, and I'm going to install some Jamaican kinky hair. So you can use Cuban hair, the Jamaican twisting hair, any kind of hair to twist the hair first. But if your hair is long enough to twist and be wrapped around, that's totally up to you. But in this case, I wanted my hair to be even, so I just used the Jamaican hair to twist my hair at first. So I made sure that the hair came down to my shoulder since I wanted it to be short / into a bob style. So I made sure it was not too long, but it was long enough to be shaped into a bob. I'm going to take the hair from the pack and I'm just going to put the part that you can hook it onto at the top of my braid, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold that piece at the top and I'm going to wrap the hair tightly around that part so that way it stays in place. Now you have to wrap it really tight, and don't wrap it around the same spot. Wrap it kind of coming down so that way it's already forming but it's staying, if that makes sense. So just wrap it around the top. As you see, it's stuck there now. And I'm just going to wrap the hair coming downwards. And it's just that simple. It's really easy. Purchased the 20 inches, and with that I was able to wrap it around to get through the whole twist. So in this case, I'm just going to wrap it around all the way to the end. I'm going to leave a little bit out so that way I can burn it and secure it. So I'm going to burn it, and I usually put oil at the end and rub it so that way it doesn't, you know, stick. Like, you know, sometimes when you burn it in your hair, it like sticks to your clothes or sticks together. So I just like to put some oil at the end. I didn't do it in this video for time's sake, but I recommend putting like some oil on your hair, on your hands, and just rubbing it in so that way it looks smoother and it doesn't stick together in your hair. You just want to burn it and get it right so that way it doesn't loose. This time I'm going to show you a different method. I did that because if you want to make it thicker, you can add more hair to the twist. But in my case, I just want it, I don't want it too big, but I want it big enough. So I'm just going to use one, and one worked perfectly fine. So I'm going to twist it all the way to the end until I am done. And then once again, like I said, I'm just going to insert the twist to the top from the hook part. And then I'm going to hold that part tightly, wrap it around so that way it gets locked in. And then I'm just going to wrap it coming down. And with this look, I like it to look kind of messy. So when I'm twisting it down, I try to like rub my fingers across it so that way it kind of frizzes up a little bit. Because I don't know, I feel like that looks really natural looking. So I like to rub my fingers across just to kind of make it frizz up a little bit. The piece did not make it all the way to the end, so what you can do if that does happen to you, just take some Cuban hair or Jamaican twisting hair and just add it to the end add it to the end just by twisting it on there and just wrapping it around to the end until you're done. To make sure that it's even and you know it's the same size, just cut to the length that is your desired length, and that's pretty much it. Just burn the ends off, cut the ends off, burn the ends off, and just start rolling and call it a day. So I'm just going to add some edge control. And also in this case, if you want it to be a bob, because you can fold it into a bob, just fold the ends into that shape. You don't have to do anything else, just fold the ends into that shape and it's shaped into a bob, and that's it, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. I know you guys have been requesting this tutorial, and so you know I had to give it to you. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Peace.